Well, I'm quite happy the way things are going for Mumbai Indians, and we are not worried about whether our fast bowler picking the wickets or whether our spinners are picking the wickets. But I think as a bowling unit, everyone is performing really well, and everyone has been putting their best effort for the team, and we're getting the result which we are looking for. So we are not really bothered about who's bowling well or who's picking wicket, who's not. Even if Kiran Pollard, he's not a bowler, but he's a capable enough bowler to get us 3 to 4 wickets, on his good day. So we are counting everyone, our main bowlers, and on a good day, anybody can win a game for us.
My question was that spinners are giving more results than the fast bowlers in comparison to the previous years.
Well, I don't know what's the reason. Probably.
Is there not that the pitches are very slow in that game?
Well, pitches has been always slow in India, so I don't know what's really going on. Good, I'm not a fast bowler, so I don't have to really worry about that. So I don't really actually know what to say, but I think there have been guys like Praveen Kumar. He's been getting wickets, and you need to do different sort of things in 2020 cricket. You can't really just bowl 130 plus and just get away with your 4 overs. You have to have some kind of swing or either 150k to survive in this competition. Otherwise, you'll go for plenty of runs. This is what I feel. I might be wrong.
But yeah, I'm Ganesh Sharma from PDA. Are you looking this match means as a Shane Warne's test of strength? Means that way, the way he's bowling now, will it be a problem for you?
Well, Shane Warne, obviously, he's been a great role model for all of us, and we respect him. A great cricketer, like a great cricketer, we respect him a lot as a team, as a unit, and I'm sure he'll be putting his best when he'll be facing Sachin Tendulkar or young Raidu and Andrew Simon or likes of Rohit Sharma. I'm sure he'll be itching to bowl against these guys, and at the same time, this will be an opportunity for a young guy like Rohit and Raidu to face one of the world's best spinner ever, and looking forward to play alongside with him tomorrow. And it's always been a pleasure, playing alongside with your role model. And we have learned a lot by watching him on the TV, and by playing against him. We have learned a lot, and hopefully, I'll get some time to talk to him about my bowling and about me going ahead in my way of international cricket. I think we just kept things very simple. We know what to do. In situation like last game, we were not in a good situation, but I think Andrew and Rohit played fantastic inning, and they got us the total on the board, which was quite a defendable total on that wicket. And I think as a unit, we are playing really good cricket. We're bowling really well, and we're sticking to our plans, and we backing each other while we are batting, and we're getting the runs on the board. And hopefully, we keep working hard and keep this momentum going with us for longer period of time. I know at some stage you will lose game, but I think we have got the side which can come out of any kind of situation. Even if you're down, then we have got the player who can win game from nowhere.
Just continuing to that particular question, your middle order and your top order has performed very well, the likes of Raidu. What do you have to say about the likes of Raidu? I think he has probably the best selectors now to get a ball.
Well, Raidu has been a very special talent. We all know that, and it's just that he was lost in between somewhere in last 3 to 4 seasons. We didn't hear too much about this guy, but lately he's been performing really well for Mumbai Indians. Last season he was our main guy to get us into the final, and he's one of that young talent. You could see him playing long for India, and this is what I feel. He have got a bright future ahead of him. He's definitely one of those guys who can fulfill the shoe of Rahul Dravid and VVS Lakshman. This might be a slightly, I mean, people must be thinking that what Bajji is saying today, but this is what I feel, that he has got the capability to fulfill those big shoes like Rahul Dravid and Lakshman. We probably have the best middle order batsmen in our team, but in coming years you'll see this guy going long way.
But another feature of Mumbai Indians has been the fielding. In the past 2 or 3 matches, we have fielded like anything. Was there a special emphasis on that?
Definitely yes, because if you see our fielding coach is Jonty Road, and he always pushes us to work really hard on our fielding, and the boys are really taking the responsibility, not just in batting and bowling. We all know that fielding is the area where we can improve always, and we won the game against Chennai because of our fielding, not because I got 5 wickets. I think we fielded brilliantly, and that's what was the reason that we won that game.
Just wait, please.
Yeah, hi, Harbhajan. You've been a part of Mumbai Indians for the last 4 years now. How has your role changed with the team over the years?
How is what?
How has your role changed over the years? I mean, are you looking more at yourself more as a mentor or a senior player?
Well, first year I wasn't even part of the IPL. If everyone knows, I played a couple of games, then I was not part of the IPL due to whatever happened. Then from the second season onwards, I have taken the responsibility to do well, not just for myself, even to make sure the people around me are happy, and make sure I help all the youngsters who are coming into this big stage, and playing alongside with all of us who and this is what I've been doing. I don't think my role have changed too much, and last season we really enjoyed. Zach was around, and me, Sachin, Zach, we made sure that we can make this unit a strong unit, tight unit, and that's what we were just trying to do all the time, and that worked for us, and this year is just been the same. We just want everyone to feel they are the senior player, not just a guy like Suman who just came into the side. We want him to feel that he's part of the think tank, and whatever he feel, he can come and talk to us and give us his suggestions and feedback, whatever he feels. So there's a lot of confidence in each other. People come and talk whatever they want to talk and whatever they have in their mind. So which is a great environment to be in.